Joining us now is Eric Faddis, criminal defense attorney. Welcome. Good morning.
Be with you.
More than 30 people charged across two separate but connected schemes. What does that tell you about the scope of this investigation?
Well, Mary, clearly this is a wide-ranging case that the investigation has spanned years. Just the number of defendants shows really how sprawling the government alleges these conspiracies were. It's going to require a lot of witnesses, a lot of physical evidence. We saw those sort of advanced machines that were allegedly used in the poker games. A complex investigation that is ongoing.
Those were incredible to see. And the FBI comparing one of these cases to insider trading and a saga there. Can you explain how insider trading laws may actually apply to sports betting?
I think the principle from insider trading is essentially that someone shouldn't have a competitive advantage, an informational advantage over other people when we're talking about a marketplace and like placing bets. Well, that same principle applies to sports betting, which has really blown up in the past 10 years. So what they're saying is that no one should have that informational advantage that allows them to have better odds at these bets. It corrupts the game and it corrupts the betting process.
What specific crimes are the defendants likely to face here, and what kind of penalties could they be looking at if convicted?
Mary, these alleged crimes really run the gamut. We have wire fraud, operating illegal gambling business, 2 counts of that, money laundering, extortion affecting interstate commerce, robbery affecting interstate commerce, conspiracy to commit wire fraud, and conspiracy to commit money laundering, totaling decades and decades in prison potentially for these defendants.
How does federal law treat cases involving both sports professionals and organized crime figures?
Those usually aren't two categories of people that are brought together in a case like this. So this case is rather novel in that sense. The sports figures sometimes carry an air of credibility. People think they know them, they like them, they want to believe that they didn't do anything wrong. Folks who are alleged to be mafioso types don't share that same privilege, and so it'll be an interesting confluence of impressions and characters as this multi-defendant case proceeds through the courts.
Eric Faddis, criminal defense attorney, thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate it.
Good to be with you.
And to follow the latest in this investigation, head over to cbsnewyork.com.